Hi everyone, my name is Peter. I thought I'll talk you through a life hack of mine. Um, Friends, work colleagues that know me, if they ask me what's the one thing I love at work and all the things, it'll be spreadsheets. So maybe I'm a bit of the extreme side of things, but I thought there's a lot of things that I do that I think I take for granted that not everyone is aware of. So I'll give you 3 tips to help you just organize your life a bit more. Um, so tip number 1 is with anything that you keep on your computer, please preempt and pre-organize them in folders. So if it's a property related project, I would call the top level folder the property name. Underneath that, I will have maybe mortgage, then solicitors, then builders, then photos. So I'll break it down to different topics. Now, you know what? You're always going to need that at some stage of your life. One day in 6 years' time, when you do a remortgage, someone's going to ask you when that last mortgage document was, or have you got photos of the build work, or whatever it is. So once you organize it up front, it's going to be so much easier. Just in relation to folders and file names, please use the date format of the year, month, then day. So year, month, date, date. So as an example, 2019, 0920 for the 20th of September 2019. Now that is a bit of a OCD thing of mine at work. I will always label it like that, and that's to ensure that all the files are listed in chronological order. This may not mean much for you for now, but when you have lots and lots of files, it's a massive time saver, and it makes sense. You're able to track. I got quote number 1 on this date, quote number 2 on this date, quote number 3 on this date, and this is the invoice that I actually paid on the final date. So it just allows me to keep everything and track everything as necessary. Top tip number 2, spreadsheets. So as you organize folders, spreadsheets can be used as simple as just putting lists together to as much as automating calculations and everything. But to start with, if you're not very fond of using it, if you're creating any sort of lists at all, or trying to track a chronological thing, using a spreadsheet is by far one of the simplest things to start off doing, because it can be evolve into much more things. You can sort it automatically, you can count automatically, you can color code cells automatically as well. And these are the sorts of things, once you're aware of them, you can bring them into your spreadsheet life down the line. Finally, the last tip is to back up your data. So don't leave your life data all on the one laptop, which could be stolen or burnt or just die at any time. I highly suggest looking into a cloud-based solution. So things like Gmail, Dropbox, or Microsoft Drive. You can just sync certain folders onto the cloud. So as you update it, it will sync it onto the computer so that if anything ever happened to that laptop of yours or computer, it'll still be there. What's great about this is whenever you're out and about, if anyone asks for anything, you can just pull it up on your phone or another laptop very quickly as well. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. Thank you.